And don't worry about talking over it. I don't care that much. I can edit some of it out and the rest. Good. Hello folks, and welcome to Fun with Flags. Actually, as you guys know, I just bought this bike a few days ago. Been having fun riding it. And if you can tell, I'm looking through my windshield at you, and I'm sitting normal. Now, anybody who knows anything about windshields, that windshield is way too high. So today, we are going to drop it. For us to drop it, we got the windshield here. We got these lights, which we get to move and rewire. Yes, we're getting real fun. And then we just position everything and go test drive, see how it is. So, stay tuned on how I could try not to break shit while moving my windshield. Welcome to take two. Hello folks, this is Fun with Windshields. As you guys all know, I bought this bike a few days ago and we're customizing it and making it more adapted to me. You notice right, I'm standing right and I'm looking through my windshield, so this thing clearly has to get dropped down 3 or 4 times.
Alright.
Now, originally, oh, we're not going to do that. This is the right way. It's actually my way. One way you can do it is taking your Sawzall and just making a nice even cut. Or you can do it the other way and actually use tools to lower it. So today,
Tools,
yeah, that'll work. We're going to use this if the bolts don't come off, but we're going to lower down the headlights. We're going to wire them because the wire leads will probably be a little bit too short. Then after we get the clearance out here at the bottom of the windshield, we're going to drop down the windshield, probably get 3 or 4 inches and go from there. So, when this doesn't work, or say in the middle of a power storm also, our other time-saving tech tip is industrial scissors, as to cut that bad boy. That'll be another episode. Hang tight. See if we can do this without breaking the bike. Coming at you. Oh, close. Alrighty. Step 1, remove windshield. We found that removing windshield is very important to this procedure. God, that went from German to Asian, I think. I don't know.
sound like terrorists.
I gotta get myself like a 4, 5, and 6 for my bike, because if I'm on the road and I bring all my tools, but I don't have Allen keys,
Yeah.
I can use my tools to flag down drivers. Dude, I ever tell you that story?
No.
We're out in LA. My friends were kind of dicks. We were smoking at a concert, but I didn't even get high. I think it was some bullshit they gave me. I think it was just spice stuff. They swore otherwise, but dude, seriously. All right, 2 bolts on either side. Windshield comes right off. A lot of windshields are like that. A few are different. Move that bad boy out of the way. So I guess the people watching the video will learn about how I wasn't always an angel. And I'm cool with that. We're out in the middle of nowhere. Oh, dude, that's awesome. If you loosen these up, they do clamp on the outside. I thought it was 2 steps. That's pretty darn cool. That's how those work. I just learned something new. Now, step 2, we're going to loosen up the lights, drop them down, and rewire them. So, move back to my story. We were out in Inglewood.
So there we were.
Not a great neighborhood. You're on the freeway, no big deal. But what happens is we have a flat tire. My friends were driving because they thought I was high. I really actually wasn't. I'm not saying I never was, because that would be wrong. Well, you know, I'm wondering why people aren't stopping. We have my 67 Firebird on the side of the freeway, busy freeway, nobody's stopping, which they generally don't. But of course, we got long hair, sweater shirts and all that stuff. Definitely wondering why people aren't stopping. Well, I found out how to fix it. I gotta tuck that one too. I got bored with throwing rocks over over a overpass. And when I hit the police car's windshield, I proceeded to tell them that I noticed it was a police car and we needed help. I'll let y'all wonder how accurate and truthful this story is, but I'm gonna tell you it worked. Nobody was hurt.
You can't do it right.
No, he called a tow truck because they didn't want to get out of the car for us. Probably more because they were lazy. I don't know. Two bolts for the cap. Let's get comes off.
What's that Tesla song or sunset longer hippie people know how to fly?
Signs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, I almost have enough pigtail for this. I'm gonna loosen that other side up.
And is it being rerouted a different?
Well, one side was so long I'm able to do it, I think, on this side. The other one, it tucks into the headlight like they all do.
Yeah.
I might be able to get in there and loosen something up, but we shall see. So yeah, what's really funny is because we went in, we opened up the trunk of the Firebird and all that, we couldn't find it. We had a spare tire, I didn't have a cross wrench. We tore the trunk up looking for it. The tow truck driver gets there, moves the spare, cross wrench is right there. Growing up, I didn't have boring stories.
Just had stories.
Lots of them. My favorite, though, my parents were talking about accountability and checking in and all that stuff.
Yeah.
My parents were like, dude, you need to tell an adult. So finally, I decided, okay, let's go be responsible and tell an adult. The adult doesn't tell my parents. I got in trouble once again. And I said, screw your rules. Oh no. Oh no.
What?
I could flip the caps. I wanted to go. I can't put them on here because they're machine thicker. So I have to put them up here, but I can still drop them an inch. Hand me that other cap that looks like this. Let's see if I can just flip them.
I got a cutting wheel over there. We can cut that tab off.
No, it has nothing to do with the tab. Look at this diameter and look
Yeah.
at this diameter.
Yeah. There versus there.
Yeah. If I tighten it up, something's gonna split. So my attempt with this is if I can put this in without.
You're trying to move those so you can slide your windshield things down?
Yeah.
Put your turn signals above it.
Yeah, I wanted to put my turn signals here, but they won't
Yeah.
fit there. So I'm gonna see if I can get this on there.
Well, like slide your brackets down, move your turn signals right above the bracket. Will it work that way?
I'm not sure I can get what you're saying. With this, if I can get these screws in, I just flip this, I can drop this. And see where everything sits. Maybe. Yeah, whatchamacallit was saying, just cut that tab, and I'm like, dude, if I just flip this whole thing over, maybe. Cool thing I love about all these repairs and universal parts is there's no instructions. Well, I don't need to cut the tab, is what I'm saying. It's just.
Well, no, I was looking at the bracketry. that if that's not enough, that your turn signal will clear here because that bracket will loop around your windshield. So you can take these all the way down,
Right.
and then put these here, just above this bracket.
Oh, but they'd be behind or next to the windshield, right?
Yeah. Keep rocks from breaking.
I have to say that usually doesn't happen to me, but I've seen some of the roads I've accidentally ended up on.
Yeah.
Let's give it a shot real quick.
And changing this belt, you suck.
Be flexible when you do this, folks. Very, very flexible. Yeah, you know, I don't usually do mom jokes on my videos, but whatever you need to do for your healing process.
I'm just trying to give you something to edit.
Oh, I don't care. Dude, it'll be on there, you don't understand. Dude, I've got this one video where I was up in Gates of Lador, northwest Colorado, and Gates, it's gorgeous, man. River, this beautiful, slow-moving river cuts through this mountain. It's just gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. And yeah, no, there's one to clear the windshield at all.
It won't.
No. If I do it this way, I might. I'm gonna drop those lights down, put the windshield on, and see. But it looks like I've got about 2 inches dropped out of here.
Really?
Take a look.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
So
that'll work.
we'll go with that for the moment, and if not, we need to adjust. Then I'll take it to my friends at Dios Mechanical. They'll fix it for me at a great price. See how I plug this up?
I see what you did there.
Hey, you want to explain it to me? Let me see, I'm still alright. I don't have to worry about it. If I'm just dropping it down a little bit, I don't have to worry about rewiring rewiring them anyways. And everybody wins. Free ice cream for everybody. Yeah, when you do these things, it's funny because you have a lot of idle time when you're doing something. So I catch myself just rambling about just random stuff. Oh, so going on to my Gates of the Door story. We had these ducks flying around very quietly in the back. And you just quietly hear me in the video. It's all nice and serene, got some pretty music in the background. And you hear the ducks and you hear me say, shut the duck up.
That's not as bad as mom jokes.
I don't know.
But come on, ask me if I care.
Oh, I know you don't care. I just figured this way, I'm getting better at them, and would you rather me try to be happy and try to keep people pleased or try to piss everybody off? I'm good at pissing people off. These are where the bloopers are not mine, huh? Dude, there's so many shots that I do where like my face is like right here saying it's in focus. Crazy space monkeys and the things that they do. What's up?
Did you forget to put a piece back in?
No, I purposely took it out with my snorkel.
Okay.
Thank you for bringing it up, but every bike I've had, snorkel comes out.
Okay. Just re-recording.
I think I'm gonna collect them one day and just like make all the projects out of them.
I'll be right back.
Where you going, Ace?
Fairgrounds.
The fairgrounds?
Fairgrounds.
Oh, okay. Alright, so the fight that I had was these guys right here. I had to try to work this so that this guy would fit into there on both sides. There's the bottom one, we started with those and we moved up to the top. Just got them done on both sides. Hopefully my battery won't die. This one's out a little bit more, but it's still in. Now, I just got to keep those in. Drop the windshield down as far as I can go. You can see I already dropped it based on that one mark right there. Dropped it down about an inch or so. I got about another ½ inch. I might probably get as much as about 2 inch drop over here. So, enjoy the fight. Much better. The windshield was up here, now it's down here. I still like to get a little bit lower, but we're going to see this because I want to make sure this is just right. For me, you want enough where around here's a good level, it's still good to put the wind over you. But when it's up here, you don't really want to look that much through the windshield. It's nice to have it there, but I'm usually looking around it. So, so we would adjust a windshield for VTX or drop it down. Do that again. So that my friends, is how you can move your front turn signals and drop a windshield on a new bike, or aftermarket bike, or a bike you just got, or whatever that is. So, glad you learned something. Feel free to share in comments if you got any questions, comments, concerns, whatever. Y'all be safe. Rubber side down. Thanks for watching.